Just back from a desert run on the 1250 and just had the bike serviced. It's 20,000 k service after it's only a few months old. It's actually done 21,000 k's. It's performed very well, but I just wanted to bring one little matter to your attention, and that's the fuel economy of this bike. It's lousy. Coming from the 1200, this bike's probably getting about notionally 20% less fuel economy, poorer fuel economy. Just to give you an idea, on the 1200 I would easily get 600, 650, 700 plus kilometres out of a 30 litre tank. This bike, I'm struggling to get 500 k's out of a tank, 550 if I'm really lucky, and less if I'm not so lucky. Now the bike claims, the manufacturer claims that this engine is 5% more fuel efficient than the 1200. Clearly that's not the case. There is something going on with this 1250 engine, and I'd be interested to see if other people are having the same sorts of issues. Clearly it's not unique to this particular bike. It's something to do with this new 1250 engine. I thought they'd share that with you. No matter which way you slice it, the economy of this particular engine is way down from the 1200 it replaces. 20 to 25% less fuel efficient.